So another way to do this question is to add these two equations. So that would become 2x squared plus mx plus nx plus 26 equal to 0. And then we'll subtract the second equation. And the motivation for this is that we can get rid of these terms with m and n, which we don't know what they are. And now when we subtract, we get x squared is equal to minus 9, x squared is 9, x is plus or minus 3. So we're able to figure out that negative root. So this, I mean, I didn't do it this way under exam conditions, but it just came to my mind later. Now, what we're trying to do in the exam is to see these other ways, and it may or may not happen in the exam, but that's what you're really training yourself. So once we have our roots, we can just plug it back in and figure out m and n. X is just as we did it previously. So that would be 9 minus 3m plus 9 is 0. 3m is 18. And m is 6, which means 2m is 12, because I'm keeping an eye on that. And then we do the same thing with the second one. 9 minus 3n plus 17 is 0. 3n is 26. I just need 3n. And then again, 2m plus 3n becomes 38, which is the answer. So just to kind of, just as a comment with a lot of these questions, there will be multiple approaches, and what you're trying to do is to improve your ability to see the fastest one. Now, you're not always going to see it. That's fine. But just try to get into the habit of trying different ways of doing these questions, and that's how you'll get better at these. So to summarize, the answer is 38.